going on, guys? Gonna live it up here at this abandoned house I found. The roof fell in. And here I found this room. There's a back door. Let's go see if we can check it out, guys. Can I get over there? All the books and stuff. Dresser. I'm teleport out of here. Guys, ready, set, teleport. We're back here now inside this house. Look at this, guys. Old abandoned house. Out in the middle of nowhere. Just checking it out. Oh, here's these guys. What's in here? Anything in here, guys? Oh, back there. Guys, ready to teleport? Ready? We're back in here now, guys. Couch here. Window. Roof got a hole in it. Guys, ready to teleport? Go upstairs. Ready, set, teleport. Back again, guys. I don't know. This looks pretty sketchy. Hope this thing don't collapse on me. Whoa. What's in here, guys? Whoa. Hope I don't fall through this floor right here. Ceiling. Little pond back there. Got that over there. Got this other room over here, guys. Go check out. Oh. Oh. Oh, what's over here, guys? Like I said, I don't want to fall through here. That's pretty sketchy house here, guys. Whoa. Closet. Oh, got an attic, guys. You guys want to go up there? Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is sketchy, guys. I don't know if I should be up here. I'll live it up. Ready? Here we go. Keep going. Up these stairs, guys. Up in the attic. I'm going to teleport out of here. Go down in the basement. Guys ready? Set. Teleport. back, guys, here at this basement. I hope these stairs don't give out on me. Oh, it's flooded, guys. I can't go down there. It's flooded, guys. Whoa. Check that out, guys. Whoa. Whoa. No basement today, guys. Too flooded. But I'd like to say thank you to OMAR GOSH TV. See, Omar, my mom was terminally sick, but she asked for your videos. She was bedridden, couldn't get out of bed, but she said, if you turn Omar on, I'll get out of bed. She always liked your chickens, your little pig, what was his name, Bubba, and your dogs, your prank videos, you know, just your human nature, just your kindness. You touched her in a way that nobody else really could. You helped her through her tough times. And I'd like to say thank you. Oh my gosh. Live it up. Till next time. See ya.